Struggling to add a sleek drop-down menu to your Figma design? Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. First, create a rectangle. This will be our main button. Adjust the size and color to match your design. Next, add text inside the rectangle. Something like options works well. Center it both horizontally and vertically within the rectangle. Now, select both the rectangle and the text, and group them together by pressing Command or Control. Name this group button. Okay, time to create the drop-down menu itself. Draw another rectangle below the button. This will hold our drop-down options. Style it similarly to the button. Add your drop-down options as text layers within this new rectangle. Space them out nicely for easy selection. Select the drop-down rectangle and all the option text layers. Group them together. Name this group drop-down. Initially, hide this group by clicking the icon in the Layers panel. Now, select both the button and drop-down groups together. Right-click and choose Create Component Set. Add a new variant to the component set by clicking the plus icon. This variant will represent the open state of our drop-down. In the second variant, unhide the drop-down group. Position it correctly below the button. Switch to prototype mode. Drag a connection from the button in the first variant to the second variant. Set the interaction to on click, change to, and select Smart Animate. Do the reverse, drag a connection from the button in the second variant back to the first variant. Use the same settings, on click, change to, and Smart Animate. Finally, test it out in prototype mode, click the button, and your drop-down menu should appear and disappear smoothly. You've now created a functional drop-down menu in Figma.